Hey, welcome din ng Mini Mage PH. At ngayon, first unboxing natin today. So, bumili tayo ng Magic the Gathering Wilds of Eldraine set booster. Okay, so let's hop into it. So, naririnig niyo yung truck. Okay, so eto, buksan na natin. Saan ba natin bubuksan? Dito sa gilid. So, spray muna tayo, guys. Okay, and then we're gonna unbox now. Ito na yung cutter. Okay, so dito natin simulan sa baba. Okay, there you go. Pwede pa natin gamitin yan, yung box na yan, pang lagay ng ibang cards. Okay, okay. So first time natin mag-unbox for a while. Okay, so eto, bukas na yung set booster natin. And let's unpack it. Iangat ko siya para hindi kumalog yung camera, guys. So, first time natin to gagawin eh. So, alright. So, ayan, bukas na siya. Okay, ito yung laman niya. This is yung and you can scan it if you wanna know more about the Wilds of Eldraine Plains, then you know you can scan that. Tapos eto na yung mga packs natin and we'll unpack it today. So buksan natin isa-isa. Let's see kung anong laman. So lagay ko muna yan sa gilid. Okay. So eto yung first pack. Let's see. What do we have? Hirap pala niya buksan pag gamit yung camera. So, there you go. First pack. Let's see. See what we got. Ooh. Green Sleeves Marrow. Rare. Okay, so Woodland Acolyte. Prismatic Owen. Okay, part ng Enchanting Tale yan. Blind Mice. Niva of Nightmares. Arid Tempting Ample. Stone's Bolt. Splashy Spellcaster. Gadwick's First Duel. Stingblade Assassin. Mocking Sprite. Misleading Moths. Island. Okay. So, I think dapat sa likod ang una niyang tingin, no? So, tabi na lang muna natin dyan yung mga rares. Yung mga lands dito. Art card doon. Okay. Tapos yung mga enchanting tales natin dyan na lang sa kabila. Alright. Let's open another one. So, mas mabilis na tayo ngayon. Okay. So, ito yung second pack. So, yeah, patalikod na natin ginawa. Ito yung art card. So, I think, ilagay natin to sa dulo. Yan. Okay. So, let's see. Or, Vampiric Rites. Oh, itong commander na to. Si Rowan. Then, Cruel Somnophage. Okay. So, the rest. Corvold and the Noble Thief. Agatha's Champion. Brave the Wilds. Rowan Grim Search. Troublemaker Oof. Minecart. Daredevil. Foil Island. Food Token. And Prophemic Prism. Okay. Good stuff. Alright. So, art card, lagay natin doon. And tokens doon din. Alright, what's next? So, open tayong another one. Alright. So, token, di na, diretso na natin para mas mabilis. Food token, vampiric rights, or unnatural growth. Charming Scrondo. Yan yung rare. Uncommon. Dutiful Griffin. Threadbind Click. Picklock Prankster. Knight of Doves. Spellscorn Coven. Hopeless Nightmare. Wicked Visitor. Warehouse Tabby. Land. And yung art card. 0-1 din. Okay, alright. Okay. Another pack. Di ko alam kung pang ilan na. I think third. Third pack. Okay. So what do we have? Wicked token. Alright. Foil na common. Stab wound. Alright. Restless Bivouac. Questing Druid. Okay, that's good. Playable yan. Sa Commander and sa EDH. And Modern. Ginagamit na din yan. Welcome to Sweet Tooth. Back for seconds. Knight of the Sweet Servant. Not dead after all. Okay. Sa Scams yan. Barrel Naughty. Coop Up. Sleight of Hand. Okay, goods din yan. And land. And art card. Alright. So, let's move on. Here you go. So, tabi natin yan. Oy, the list. Aura Barbs. Okay, first the list natin. Nature's Will. Okay, foil. Knight of Valor. Utopia, ang daming Enchanting Tales. Dark Taluge. The Goose Mother. Cheeky House Mouse. Twisted Sewer Witch. Tattered Ratter. Knowing Crescendo. Harried Spearguard, Rat Out, Island, and of course, yung art card natin. Okay, first time natin nakakuha ng the list. Let's make it quicker. Okay. So, next. Let me know, guys, kung is it worth it to buy a set booster box ng Wilds of Eldraine kasi gusto ko lang din makakuha ng Ristek Study. Okay. So, the list na Cauldron Familiar. Tabi natin yan. Foil na Boundary Lands Ranger. Ground Seal. Restless Vinestock. Ogre Cheater Lord. Tough Cookie. Greta's Sweet Tooth Scourge. Gingerbread Hunter. Conceited Witch. Torch the Tower. Return Triumphant. Titanic Growth Island. And art card. Alright, next. Okay, tabi natin yung kalat natin. Let's save the Mother Earth. Again, let me know, guys, kung worth it ba bumili ng pack ng set booster na worth 7,500. Bakit kayo bumili at bakit hindi kayo bibili? Let me know sa comment. Treasure token. Natin lagay yan. Coop. Leyline of Anticipation. Yena. Becomes Brute. Picnic Ruiner. Ruby. Witch Stalker. Grabby Giant. Verdant Outrider. Fell Horseman. Savior of the Sleeping. Swamp. And another art card. Nice art card. Alright. Move on tayo sa next. Alright. Let's see what do we have? Treasure. Snare Master. Sprite na foil. Season Growth. Uy, questing beast ulit. I mean, questing druid, rather. Um, Mosswood Dread Knight. Alright. Totentaz, Swarm Piper, Lord Skitter's Butcher, Calusal Sword, Commune with Nature, Feed the Cauldron, Scream Puff, Voracious Vermin, Swamp, and Art Card. Alright, there. Okay, so I have a few. Alright, second pack. Oh, the list. Gisa's favorite shovel. The princess takes fight. Okay. Hatching Palms. Spectre of Mortality. Ito yan. Pest of Honor. Two-Headed Hunter. Boundary Lands. Ranger. Monstrous Rage. Redcap Thief. Anchor's Glory. Break the Spell. Slumbering Keep Guard, Mountain, and this one. Art card. Alright. Another one. Let's see. Hopefully we get a better pack cards this time. Come on. Oh, foil na Restless. Karmic Justice, Tale of the Ages. Uy, Alela, Cunning. Pang commander din yon. Let me know kung gusto niyo yung commander na yan. Corvold, Agatha's Champion, Picnic Ruiner, Minstrosify, Edge Wall Pack, Ratcatcher Trainee, Armor Mice, Plains, and uy, nice art card, Beast. Beast yun, di ba? I think Beast na ano yun, card, token. Pero naka-art card siya. Nice art. Okay, hindi ko alam pang ilang pack na, guys. Let me know. Out of count. Adventure. Okay. Redcap Thief na foil. Oh, nice. Greater Automancy. Flame Duelist. Picklock Prankster. Chancellor of Tales. Ego Drain. Embereth Veteran. Oy, pang commander yan sa DC. Pang jury ko yan. Johan's Stopgap. Sugar Rush. Moment of Valor. Toadstool Admirer. Swamp, and another art card. O sweet anime art card. Okay. I think nakakalahati na tayo. Sige. Bukas lang ng bukas. Alright. Let's open up the next pack. What do we have? Survival Cash. Agatha's Champion. Raid Bombardment. Rotisserie Elemental. Imodane's Recruiter. Gallant by Wilder. Stroke of Midnight. Uy, gusto ko yan. Stroke of Midnight. Quick Study. Uy, gusto din natin yan. Pang Popper. Water Wings. Frantic Firebolt. Evolving Wilds. Root Rider Fawn. Plains. And another art card. Alright. Tingin ko ipapart to ko tong pag-unbox. Kasi it's been 14 minutes. So tingin ko siya ng 2 parts. I'll let you know. But, okay, here you go. Uy, the list na Nashi, Moon, Sage, Scion. Gusto mo ba yan ng commander? Dito sa rare. Taunted by Nightmares. Hatching Plans. Agatha, okay. Chancellors of Tales, Ego Drain. Obreya, Dreaming Duelist, Ruby Daring Tracker. Witch Stalker Frenzy. Flip a Coin. Cut In. Twin Veil Guide. Swamp, and another art card. Alright, what else do we have? Let's see. Baka yung second half ng pack maganda. Hopefully. I think pang 13, 14 na to. I'll do the second round later siguro. Okay, I'll pause in a bit pag nag-15 na tayo. So we have an art card or baliktad. Okay. So freeze in place, compulsion again, Godric, twisted, filthy, three bowls of porridge, discerning financer, edgewall in, charmed clothier, spell stutter, pang fairies, kung gusto nyo ng fairies, Obrea's attendants, sky beast tracker, another forest, and this one, art card, nice art card. Okay, 15, I'll pause for part 2, papause ko muna, and I'll pause this 2, and then I'll pause the part, post the part 2 later in a bit. Okay, so, alright, Wicked, uy, nice, ano yan? Neva, stalked by nightmares na foil. Okay. Intruder alarm. Okay, good. The huntsman redemption pala. The witch vanity, curse courtier taken by nightmares, tangle span lookout, protective parents, stormkill prowler, scarecrow guide, beanstalk worm, mountain, and another art card. Ayun lang, I'll do the second half in a bit. I'll pause muna. I'll take a quick break and I'll let you know kamusta yung second half nung pack. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to share to your friends, few friends, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Be someone, help someone, okay?